Hello everyone, this video is going to be a comparison between Google ADK Agent Development Kit and LangGraph. So let's look into each one of these platforms here. So the ADK, the Agent Development Kit here is actually, it's a Google's agent framework. It's built to like orchestrate the agent workflows using LLM's decision making and sessions based workflows. Okay, it routes calls dynamically, like deciding whether web search or internal knowledge. Okay, and it offers built-in guardrails via centralized callback hooks for pre and post LLM validation. Okay, and it's mostly LLM driven routing with dynamic delegation, and it's simpler to design if you trust the LLM's decision making. Okay, and it provides like session based short-term state on memory stores for long-term context. Okay, and they have these callback based guardrails that make it easy to enforce validation before and after the LLM interactions. Okay, and LangGraph on the other hand here, okay, it's an open source Python framework which has MIT license. Okay, it's developed by LangChain to enable graph based stateful and multi-actor workflows. Okay, it focuses on like full control over flow logic, conditional branching, and state persistence and human in the loop actions. Okay, it has these explicit graphic constructions, okay, with nodes and edges, and it supports cycles and conditions. Okay, it has this built-in checkpointing for persistent state at each node and enables like resumes, rollbacks, and human interventions and everything. Okay, it relies on like manual static logic or LLM evaluation tools and integration with Langsmith for validation. Okay, which can be complex in like for example like in large graphs. Okay, so you can like use the Google ADK. You can prefer that if you want like a simpler LLM driven agent routing style, built-in memory and guardrails via callback, and minimal setup and development. If you need those ones, then ADK will be an ideal option. You can choose LangGraph if you need like full control over like state, loops, branching, error recovery, everything, and a visual design, debugging, and everything. And if you need like long-running production agents with strong observability, then LangGraph it's an ideal option for you. Okay, so you can pick Google ADK for simpler agent routing that leverages the LLM decisions and offer easy guardrails and memory out of the box. And you can choose LangGraph for higher complexity workflows and full transparency and control and enterprise grade agent systems. And that's basically pretty much it is.